Are you looking for the top 5 best outdoor security cameras? Before buying an outdoor security camera, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. The truth is, not all cameras are created equal, especially when it comes to budget options. Product number 1, Wisecam V4. Let's kick things off with the Wisecam V4. What grabbed my attention was its impressive 2.5K QHD resolution and vibrant color night vision, all without a subscription fee. If you want a reliable outdoor security camera that doesn't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. The 2.5K resolution means you can zoom in and clearly identify a face from 30 feet away, which is critical if anything goes wrong. Plus, it offers two-way audio, so you can communicate with anyone on your property. The IP65 weather resistance is also a big win, ensuring it holds up against the elements. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With over 6,000 units sold just last month, it's clear that people trust this camera for home security. Now, some people complained about needing an outdoor adapter for full outdoor functionality. Here's the thing though, for the price point, that's a minor issue compared to the quality you're getting. If you can manage that one extra purchase, this camera packs a punch. This is perfect for you if you want strong performance without a hefty price tag. Skip this one if you're looking for something that doesn't require any additional accessories. For the value, it's hard to beat. Now, if the need for an additional outdoor adapter bothered you, product number 2. Highteller Cam 2026. Next up is the Highteller Cam 2026. This one caught my eye with its stunning 2K UHD video quality and an eye-popping price of only $25.48. If you want a budget-friendly camera that doesn't skimp on features, this is definitely worth your attention. The full-color night vision is a standout here. It means you won't just see blurry figures at night. You'll clearly capture every detail, even when it's pitch black outside. Plus, it boasts free cloud storage, so you won't be hit with more subscription fees later on. With a battery life lasting 1 to 6 months, it's designed for your convenience. This camera has already sold over 4,000 units in the last month, which speaks volumes about its popularity. However, some users mentioned issues with connectivity, especially in crowded Wi-Fi areas. Here's the thing though, if you set it up in an area with a solid connection, you shouldn't run into many problems. It's still a fantastic value for the money. This is great for anyone on a shoestring budget looking for reliable security. Skip this one if you live in a place with a lot of Wi-Fi interference. At this price, it's a steal. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be product number 3. RealHide 2026 Enhanced 2K UHD Security Camera. Priced at $28.97, it's a bit more but offers incredible features. If you want a camera that provides excellent clarity and stability, this one should be on your radar. This camera supports both 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi, which means you can enjoy a faster and more reliable connection, significantly reducing lag. The built-in spotlight for night vision ensures that you won't miss any details in low light. The dual storage options give you flexibility. Use the free cloud service or a local SD card, which is super handy in case of internet outages. With 3,000 sold last month, it's clearly making waves. Some users found the setup a bit tricky, especially if they're not tech-savvy. But here's the thing. Once you get past that initial learning curve, the performance is top-notch, making it very much worth your while. This is ideal for tech enthusiasts looking for advanced features. Skip this one if you want something that's just plug and play. For the added capabilities, product number 4, AOQE C1. Next is the AOQE C1, which is priced incredibly low at just $19.98. This caught my attention for its dual functionality as both an indoor and outdoor camera. If you're on a tight budget but still want good quality, this one is definitely worth checking out. The 2K resolution provides a clear picture, and the color night vision means you can see clearly even in darkness. It comes with a siren feature to deter intruders, which is a nice touch. The IP65 waterproof rating means it can handle various weather conditions, so no worries if it rains. With over 2,000 units sold last month, it's clear this camera is a popular choice. However, some users reported that it requires a constant power source, which limits its placement options. But honestly, if you need a reliable camera that's budget-friendly, this is a small trade-off. This is perfect for families looking to monitor pets or kids without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you prefer a battery-operated device. For the price, it's a steal. Now, if the need for a constant power source is a deal breaker. Product number 5. Semua Solar Cameras. Finally, we have the Semua Solar Security Cameras, priced at $94.99 for a 2-pack. This is a bit on the higher end, but if you want something that offers solar power capability, this is a solid investment. If you want a camera that's hassle-free and constantly powered, this might be your best bet. With a panoramic view capability and 2K resolution, you get a clear image from every angle. The solar panel means you won't have to worry about changing batteries or finding power outlets. Plus, the PIR sensing technology minimizes false alarms. This model has sold 2,000 sets recently, indicating its increasing popularity. Some users found the installation process a bit lengthy, which can be frustrating. But here's the thing, the solar feature makes it well worth any initial effort. Once set up, it works reliably. This is great for anyone wanting a low-maintenance, continuously powered security solution. Skip this if you're looking for... So there you have it, 5 fantastic budget outdoor security cameras. From the affordable WiseCam V4 to the solar-powered Semua Duo, there's something for everyone's needs and budgets. Choose wisely based on your specific requirements and take the first step in securing your peace of mind.